Hey everybody, this is Sean with ProSymmetry, and in this video, we're going to talk about creating templates in Tempus Resource. All right, why is this important? So obviously, being able to create new projects from existing templates is quite valuable. So this saves you a lot of time on initiating new projects based on whether it's t-shirt sizing or just the different types of work you perform. In Tempus, you might be managing waterfall, operational, or even agile type work. You could be connecting to different systems, but being able to initiate projects from a template obviously saves a bunch of time and lets you reuse things you've done in the past. The other benefit of using templates in Tempus is that we give you some really flexible ways to how you can use those data. You can actually insert data into projects after they've been created from one or multiple templates. That gives you some unique features, and we'll talk through those options in separate videos. So to create a template, we'll browse to the project management tile here, and you can view your templates here by clicking on templates, and we can take a look and see our inventory of templates here includes a product launch, competitive analysis, product launch, EMEA, implementation type 2, and you can have really an unlimited list of templates, and the data in these templates don't show up in other places. So you don't have to worry about double counting financials or double counting allocations and so on. These are all sort of separated from all of your core Tempus or live Tempus data. So to create a new template, we can pick an existing project. So maybe I'll pick this Salesforce implementation project, bring this up, and you'll notice inside of the project, we now have this option that says create template. I'll go ahead and click on that template. We'll give this a name, and we'll say this is CRM implementation North America. So maybe this is all the steps, the financials, milestones, allocations, roles, all that stuff for implementing our CRM to our US locations. Maybe this is happening in phases or stages, or maybe they're various modules. And we'll go ahead and hit create. All right, that's done. So we're starting with a core project and then saving it as a template. Now to view that template, make sure, and back to the project management screen, we'll go ahead and click on our filter for templates. And we now see there is our CRM implementation North America in our template repository. All right, so that's how we create templates in Tempus. Thanks again for watching. To learn more or get access to a free trial, join us at prosymmetry.com.